Yeah.
You know, so that's what I do all the time. You know.
Oh yeah, no, you're good. I'm thinking about our bearing. We'll,
Yeah, I'm thinking.
we can bend it probably back in.
Yeah, where's my? Do you have a plan?
Yeah, behind you actually. I got the one crescent. It's a little dry in there.
Yeah, I got some grease.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I got some grease. I'm gonna.
Oh
take
yeah, I
it
have
out
some grease
there.
too, but yeah, I was just
I'm gonna,
noticing.
well, if you want me to use yours.
Well, no, if you're set up, then you're set up. You know, I have to go dig out the other one, but yeah, no,
Yeah.
it's a little dry, but they should pop back in. Yeah, they're going nice, just like that. Boop.
One more.
And clamp. And Southwest Airways making an appearance. Ha ha!
What I will do, I'll put this one in the bag where it was like that one.
Yeah, I got you.
That'll be good.
This should work out.